the gas laws. In investigating the behavior of gases, four factors are usually considered. 1. Mass. 2. Pressure. 3. Temperature. 4. Volume. Generally, the mass and one other factor is kept constant, and the other two investigated. For example, in the case of Boyle's law, temperature and mass are kept constant. Boyle's law states that at constant temperature, the volume of a fixed mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. Mathematically, this may be written as V proportional to 1 on P. The proportional sign may be replaced by an equal sign and a constant. Therefore, V equals K divided by P. And this implies that P multiplied by V equals to K, where K equals the constant. Therefore, mathematically, Boyle's law may be written as P1 V1 equals P2 V2, where P1 equals the initial pressure, P2 the final pressure, V1 the initial volume, and V2 the final volume. Boyle's law experiment. The apparatus shown in the diagram may be used to investigate Boyle's law. Air is trapped in the vertical tube by means of oil. The tap is open and a foot pump used to pump oil off the tube, decreasing the volume of the gas. The volume of air is read on the scale behind the vertical tube, and the Bourdon gauge registers the pressure. By opening and closing the tap, a series of readings of volume and pressure may be obtained. Note that between readings, time is allowed for the oil on the sides of the tube to run down and the air in the tube to return to room temperature. Typical results are shown in the table and illustrated on the graph below. Typical graphs to illustrate Boyle's law are as shown below. As an example involving Boyle's law, consider the question. A bubble of air of volume 2 cubic centimeters is released by a deep sea diver at a depth where the pressure is 4 atmospheres. Assuming the temperature remains constant, what is the volume of the gas just before it reaches the surface where the pressure is 1 atmosphere? According to Boyle's law, P1 V1 equals P2 V2. P1 equals 4 atmospheres. This is the pressure at the bottom. V1 equals 2 cubic centimeters. P2 equals 1 atmosphere. It follows therefore that 4 multiplied by 2 equals 1 multiplied by V when we do the substitution. It follows therefore that V2 is therefore equal to 4 multiplied by 2, which equals 8 cubic centimeters. Therefore, the answer is 8 cubic